stomach. Yeah, dude, I'll do it all the time.
Oh my god.
I don't know. Oh, what were you saying earlier?
Fuck. God, do the goat and be like, wah.
Oh, I forgot how I did that. Shit.
The goat in distress one, just like. Do a goat getting like kicked in the face. A goat getting sniped.
Bro, I don't know. You can't like. They would just have to. They would just have to do the man thing, and like they would just like stop doing this. Like,
A goat stubbing its toe. Goat. A goat getting Sam Fisher.
what? Michael.
Yeah, what if you guys should be recording the voices? Oh my god.
You should say
Oh.
for fuck's sake, nice, but like in the goat voice. For fuck's sake. No, I can't really do that one. I can't do like fucking hard noises.
Your skill level has increased based on your recent performance. Keep up the good work. That's right. They're lying towards you. The only thing that does it makes you feel better. That's cool, because it made me feel better. I guess job done, right?
Nice.
Oh. Oh.
Ah. Which one?
The now one.
Ah. I can hardly do other animal noises and shit. I can do a pig one pretty good. You do horses too?
Do a pig being fucked by a horse. Go. Oh my god, what the fuck was that supposed to be? Oh, it was imminent. It had to be done. Not anything else funny.